Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to buy Ethereum on MoonPay. So here's a simple guide for that. So open your MoonPay app and log in into your account. On the home screen, tap buy, search for the Ethereum, which is the ETH, and select it. So enter the amount of Ethereum you want to purchase in your local currency, then choose your payment method. So you can pick from any available payment method of your choice. You can select the bank transfer, you can even select Google Pay or Apple Pay. You can even use your credit or your debit card, depends on anyone available. Then after that, you have to enter the Ethereum wallet address. So you can pick from Binance, Coinbase, Trust Wallet, or any other Ethereum compatible wallet. But it's more okay. You can use Bybit as well. So review your other details, double check the wallet address, the amount and the fee, then confirm and complete the payment using your chosen method. Wait for the MoonPay to process the transaction, and this may take a few minutes. And after that, check your wallet to confirm the Ethereum has arrived, and that's it. And always make sure your wallet support Ethereum, which is the ERC20, before entering the address. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.